Something. I just realized that I leave at 6 o'clock in the morning and I won't be able to get another chocolate croissant from this place. I know. So I'm gonna stop and maybe buy one, two. See, they might not have any. Let's go find out. I actually wanted to go have dinner. All right, so the chocolate croissant is for the morning, but she told me that this was chocolate. Is it a cookie? Look at this big thing. It's like a shortbread sandwich with chocolate inside. About my apples. Donkey's getting fed twice today because I leave so early in the morning. I feel like I'd wake them up. I thought I had more time tomorrow. So what happened was I just returned the rental. I have to walk back. Come on, little guy. Here's your apple. There you go. I don't know the story, but there's a sign here that says that some of these animals were found abandoned and abused. And you get the money in there. Ooh, sounds pretty empty in there, guys. Are you seriously coming down here? Are you really coming down here one more time? This is the white one from last year, or 2 years ago. That was so spooked. All right, thank you for making my trip that much better. Oh, look at that beautiful face. Alrighty. I hope you have a good life. Bye, Casper. I hope people are friendly to them. Check. Check again. Double check. Keep checking. Did you check? Alright, nothing fell behind the bed. Alright. Doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Alright, come on, let's go sit outside. Port is waking up, my friends. People are making their way to the port. Usually there's a restaurant open. Not this time. I'll be arriving in Patmos pretty early, check-in time at the hotel. I'm gonna get a vehicle. I'll have breakfast there. I'm excited. I'm excited. All the roosters are waking up. the sound of the water hitting the hulls of the boat. There's not a sound of any engine technology. Just the humming of this radiation, and that's it. So the ferry's late, but that's better than not running at all, because tomorrow, the 3rd, there's a 24-hour ferry strike. That would be a huge problem for me. Now, number one, I get to stay here 7 extra days, but it would throw everything else in a fit. Yeah, the ferry only comes here every 5 or so days. So anyway, so the fact that, but here's the other thing. Let's not pretend it's a little late. It was originally 5:40, moved to 6:40. It's headed to 8:30 now. But, you know, when I get to sit silently and observe and check everything out, don't feel bad for me. This is a good place to, this is a good place. Let's just leave it at that. This is a good place. Rides here, and it's about 3 hours late, and that's early for Greek time, they say. This is my favorite thing. Sea jet is almost like a jet inside airplane, so you don't really get to sit on the deck. I'm looking forward to being up there. I don't actually know how long the Patmos journey is, an hour or so, but I'm really looking forward to riding this ferry. It's the only one open deck on this entire trip. Look at my ride. Look at my ride. This is my favorite part. It's a beautiful day. The sun's out. The sky is blue. And I'm not. I'm actually doing very well. Doing very well, thank you. You want to say goodbye to Amorgos? Say goodbye to Amorgos. I love it here. The chocolate croissant was amazing. I got cheated out of another one. Gotta come back now, right? Gotta come back. A reason to return.